Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Goring Guitar. We have Tom Walker here with a song called I Am. Alright, so this is a strong, beautiful song. We have 4 chords that goes in the same way from the beginning till the end, and that's what we're going to look at. Let's take a look at the chords first. So, we're going to start with the C major 7. Alright, so that goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. And then you do this transition, pretty easy. You keep that 2nd fret D string there glued, and then you go over to the A minor. Alright, so that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is E minor, and we're gonna add 1 note down there, high E. So you're gonna play open E string in the bass, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and the 3rd fret high E. That note is added for the original E minor. And then you have the final chord, the D, and that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Okay, so you have 2 ways of playing this song. The first version is to just play 1 down or pick the strings once per chord. Okay, so like this. Okay, that is 1 round. C, A minor, E minor, and D. So for C, you're gonna pick the A, D, G, and B string. Okay, and important is with the B string, that's where the melody goes, the open B. This note is important. So if you think it's too much to pick all of these strings, then make sure you pick the bass string, which is the A string, this one, and the B, open B string. That could be enough. You can pick all of these, it's better, gives more depth to it, and sounds more fuller, all right? So pick all these strings, or you can just do 1 downstroke. Then, if you do that, make sure you stop on the string where the melody goes. In this case, the B string. So that's why I pick it, because I have more control on what strings I'm playing. So either way is good. That's the C major. Next is A minor, and I'm gonna pick it like this. That's the very same strings as the C major. Now the melody goes on the 1st fret B string. Same principle there. Pick all of these strings, A, D, G, and B, or 1 downstroke. Then you have a longer pause after A minor. Then comes the E minor with the added note G. Now you pick the E string in the bass together with G, B, and the high E. Make sure you get the high E, because that is where the melody goes. 3rd fret high E. All right? And then you have the final chord, D. Here you actually pick all strings from the chord, D, G, B, and the E. And if you think that is too much, then you go for the 2nd fret high E, that's the melody. Okay, so that is one way of playing, just pick once. Now we can also use the strumming pattern. So let's go back to the C major and look at the strumming. And 1 string around will be down, up, clap, down, like this. Okay, so down, up, clap, down. Now, when you do the transition here for A minor, then you're gonna play down, up, clap, and then the final down, you switch to A minor. Okay, so you do just once for C major, down, up, clap, and then on the down in the end, you go to A minor, down, and then you play A minor for another 3 full rounds. Down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down. Okay, so C major, almost 1 full round except for the last down. And the last down you're gonna play with A minor, and then you continue with down, up, clap, down for 3 full rounds. Like this, slowly. Okay, and then you do the next half of it, the E minor to D, following the same principles there. The E minor goes almost one full round, the down of clap, and then you shift to D and play the last down there from the first strumming round. And then you fulfill the D with another 3 full rounds down of clap down, like this, slowly. All right. And that's how you handle the strumming. I'm gonna give you one chord progression round of strumming as well, so let's go. And that, my friends, covers Tom Walker's I Am. One down or the strumming, and that's it. So good luck with this one, and if you think that was helpful, then give me a like on this tutorial, subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet, support me in any way. It is much, much appreciated. So thank you so much, and play tuned.